Root cause analysis is a systematic process for identifying the underlying reasons behind a problem or issue. By focusing on the root causes rather than the symptoms, root cause analysis helps organizations and individuals develop effective and lasting solutions. This approach is widely used in fields such as healthcare, engineering, business, and education to address recurring issues and improve processes. Root cause analysis operates through several key features, including problem definition, cause identification, and solution implementation. Problem definition involves clearly describing the issue and its impact. For example, if a manufacturing line frequently produces defective products, the problem definition might include details about the defect types, their frequency, and the financial or operational consequences. A well-defined problem is critical for guiding the analysis. Cause identification shifts the focus to uncovering the root causes through tools such as the 5 whys technique, fishbone diagrams, or Pareto analysis. These methods help break down the problem into its contributing factors, distinguishing between symptoms and underlying issues. Solution implementation involves designing and applying corrective actions that address the root causes directly. For instance, if defective products are traced to poorly calibrated equipment, the solution might include regular maintenance schedules and staff training to prevent recurrence. Examples of root cause analysis can be found in various scenarios. In healthcare, if a hospital experiences a rise in patient infections, root cause analysis might identify insufficient sterilization protocols as the root cause. Corrective actions could include revising procedures, enhancing staff training, and monitoring compliance. In information technology, a company facing frequent server outages could use root cause analysis to determine that outdated software is the root cause. The solution might involve upgrading systems and implementing regular updates. In education, root cause analysis might be used to address low student performance in a particular subject. By examining factors such as teaching methods, curriculum design, or classroom resources, educators can pinpoint areas for improvement and develop targeted interventions. The strengths of root cause analysis include its ability to provide long-term solutions and its focus on prevention. By addressing the root causes of a problem, root cause analysis reduces the likelihood of recurrence, saving time and resources. Its structured approach also promotes collaboration and data-driven decision-making, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. However, root cause analysis has its weaknesses. One major limitation is that it can be time-consuming, requiring significant resources to gather data and analyze causes effectively. Additionally, root cause analysis may oversimplify complex issues by focusing on a single root cause, potentially overlooking interconnected factors. Another challenge is the reliance on accurate data. Incomplete or biased information can lead to incorrect conclusions and ineffective solutions.